Okay, my name is Farhan. I'm going to tell about discourse analysis and conversion. Discourse and conversation analysis. Okay, maybe last week we talked about what is the definition about CA, and now I will talk about uh, the first is key concept or key issues in conversation analysis. So the first key issue is conversation analysis is the view of uh, of conversation as the most basic form of talk or ordinary form uh, of talk. Maybe in conversation is the way which uh, people interact to negotiate or gathering information or discuss and maintain their relation. And then uh, maybe maybe the different person have different purpose or meaning of their social and uh, from their social and interactional goals. And then the second is uh, the conversion analysis is focused on the data as the source of information. So basically, the conversation analysis is subjective and not objective. It is not it is focused on the data or the explanation from a person and not look and on the speaker reflection or maybe a psychological factor of a person. So so the third is about uh, conversion analysis is avoid the to start the with the assumption for of analytical categories. So conversion analysis is look on maybe the data that always occur and then make and then consider uh, the further investigation from that data. And then uh, transcription convention. So basically transcription is crucial in conversion analysis. So transcription is the extract uh, is the extract a form of maybe like a record tape or video and then transfer it to a text. For example, maybe in a video, we hear that a person talk with a high pitch, so we can transcribe it or like make up arrow or for symbolize that the person talking with a high pitch. And then we talk about the structure in conversation. So maybe like there are four structure. uh, the first is opening conversation, and then the second is closing and then turn taking and then adjacency pairs. But opening and closing, as we know that, is an ordinary form, and then we already know that opening like hello, and then closing like bye bye. So we focus on turn taking. Turn taking is all about turn taking is all about is turn taking is how the people may manage or take the turn in a conversation after the first speaker and the utterance, so the second people can take the turn to speak and tell the utterance. Yeah, maybe like there are in this session we talk about the signal. Maybe there are a way or a number of signal that can be a signal to end of a turn, maybe like the falling intonation, or maybe like uh, after the falling intonation he pause, then we can the then the second speaker can start to speak, or maybe the completion of a syntactic unit, or maybe it can from the eye contact or the movement, or body movement. And then we talk about the adjacency pairs. Adjacency pairs is an utterance, is the utterance that uh, produced between two speakers, that the second utterance can identify as related to the first utterance. Maybe like, for example, uh, people say how are you. Of course we must say the situation or the condition of our condition. Like maybe we can say we are very good, or maybe I'm not well, and something like that. And also adjacency pairs is have us have have different ways for different cultures. For example, uh, uh, different people or have different response to a same to a same utterance. For example, if people say, "Did you have a good weekend?" Uh, French speaker will tell the different response from the English speaker. And then adjacency pairs also, yeah, that's all about adjacency pairs. And then preference organization. uh, Preference organization is all about uh, that the response we have a freedom for responding the for responding an utterance. We can maybe if someone have a request, we can either accept or reject it. Or maybe if people have us have a question, we can answer, we can have two response. The first is prefer, and the second is disprefer. Prefer is we respond is as expected answer. uh, for example, how are you? very good. And then this prefer is maybe like non-answer. We not answer it, or maybe uh, we can tell the uh, unexpected answer. Maybe how are you, and then we tell uh, I have a, an ill or a sickness that really bad, that's prevent organization. And then we talk about repair. Repair uh, is a way of speaker repair or correct their speakers or other speakers. For example, uh, uh, he get a woman or not, he get a girl, like that, something like that. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you, and sorry for all of mistake.